Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the extension installed. Now start Chrome and open Extensions. Click the three-dot menu, choose More Tools, then Extensions. Once done, scan the list for the extension name you want to allow in Incognito. Make sure you can see the Details button for that extension. If not, enable Extensions view. This first step sets the stage. You must target the exact extension entry to control Incognito access. Pause to confirm the extension version and permissions before proceeding. You're now inside the extension details page. Find Allow in Incognito and flip that toggle on. If Chrome shows a permission warning, read it. Extensions can record activity in Incognito, then confirm if you accept the risk. Once toggled, make sure the switch stays enabled. Some extensions require a browser restart to apply changes. If prompted, restart Chrome. After restarting, test the extension in an Incognito window to verify the behavior. This ensures the extension can run while maintaining your intended privacy settings. Open an Incognito window and verify the extension icon or functionality appears and works. If it doesn't, go back to Extensions, right arrow Details and retoggle Allow in Incognito, then relaunch Chrome. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the extension to reset permissions or disable other extensions that might block it. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out of other profiles or use a fresh Chrome profile to rule out profile-specific policy restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.